In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly integrate a Typeform into your Canva document. If you're ready to enhance your workflow and add a touch of interactivity to your designs, follow along with me as we dive into these easy-to-follow steps. First things first, let's get started by opening your Typeform account. Once you're in, head over to the form you want to use. You'll notice on the right side of your form, there are several options. What you want to do here is focus on the three dots. Clicking these will open a small menu with several choices. From this menu, you'll want to select Copy Link. This link is crucial as it's the key to embedding your Typeform into Canva, so ensure it's copied to your clipboard. With your link safely copied, it's time to open Canva. When you're on your Canva dashboard, look for the Docs option. This feature is quite dynamic and allows you to create impressive documents with ease. Click on it to start drafting your document. Once you're in Canva Docs, go ahead and jot down whatever content you need. Think of it as setting the stage for your Typeform. Now, to truly enhance your document's functionality, you'll want to add your embedded form. This is where the magic happens. On your document editor, find and click on the plus icon. This icon opens up a world of possibilities by allowing you to add various elements to your document. After clicking the plus icon, you'll notice a search bar. Here, type in Embed. This search will help you locate the Embed feature quickly. You'll see it pop up as one of the options. Click on the Embed feature because this is the bridge between Canva and your Typeform. Now, here comes the exciting part. You'll see a field where you can paste a link. Remember the link to your form that you copied earlier? This is where you'll paste it. Position your cursor in the field and right-click to paste, or use the handy keyboard shortcut Ctrl+5 for Windows or Command+V for Mac to paste the link directly. Once you've done this, hit Enter. There you have it. Your Typeform is now embedded directly into Canva, making your document much more interactive and engaging. This integration allows you to easily gather responses, feedback, or any kind of data you might need directly from within your Canva document, all without having to leave the platform. This process not only enriches your presentations, but also provides a streamlined experience for you and your audience. And just like that, you've mastered embedding a Typeform into Canva. Whether you're using this for business, education, or personal projects, integrating these tools will undoubtedly enhance your digital productivity. Thank you for joining me on this tutorial, and happy designing.